In this work, we use a variety of features that encode characteristics of motion using Laban movement analysis. The results can be used to extract the body and stylistic characteristics, to synthesize movements into taking consideration not only the geometry of the pose but also the qualitative characteristics of the motion, and to help on creating characters with different behaviors or personalities. Our system is divided into two phases: training and classification. On the first phase, data were captured using a motion capture system. We chose 12 emotional states using the Russell circumplex model of emotion. This model distributes emotions in a two-dimensional circular space. 6 different dancers were asked to perform 12 acted contemporary dance performances, each one with different emotional state. The captured data were processed, segmented, and then converted into BVH format. Using a 45 frames time window, we extracted 27 features, 86 measurements, based on Laban movement analysis components, which encode the movement's quantitative and qualitative characteristics. These features are then used to train a multi-class classifier. On the second phase, data were captured using the same conditions as the training phase. Similarly, the data were processed, segmented, and converted into BVH format. The Laban movement analysis features were extracted, and the resulting data were used as input in the multi-class classifier, which decides into which of the 12 classes the respective segment belongs. In order to test the reliability of the proposed classification framework, we asked from each dancer to prepare a choreography whereas 4 different emotional states interchange one emotion from each quadrant of the Russell's circumplex model. In this video, the performer changes emotional states starting with angry, then sad, tired, and ending with happy. Colors on the bottom bar indicate the accuracy of the classifier. Dark green indicates correct prediction. Light green indicates that the predicted class falls in the same quadrant as the original class. Yellow indicates cases where the class couldn't be classified to any of the 12 states. And finally, red indicates misclassification to another quadrant. On the Russell's circumplex model on the top right, you can see the actual acted emotional state of the performer in green star and the classified emotion in red. Using the random forest classifier with the 1 against rest strategy, we have achieved almost 92% classification accuracy, where recall was almost 85% and precision 98%. In this work, we proposed a framework that can automatically extract motion qualities in terms of Laban movement analysis for motion classification and indexing purposes. This work provides some insight on how people express emotional states using their body, while the proposed features can be used as alternative or complement to the standard similarity, motion classification, and synthesizing methods.